Just call me Big Deborah. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAFRICAN. They sent me the shoes to try for you guys, and let's just say we are outside today. The blonde has made an appearance and Daddy Pawpaw is at the door. Listen. Swipey Kai swipey. Now before you grab that man's debit card, make sure you have a seat so you can see how I got this wig together out the pack. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WOWAFRICAN. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is going to be an easy out the pack wig install because it pretty much comes ready to go out the pack. Y'all see it? Boop, boop. So let me go ahead and just prep my natural hair real quick. I already put some grease on it. Let me go ahead and put my cap. This feels a little loose. Let me see. That is loose. I don't want that one. Here we go. This is a fresh one. I love these caps, but they do stretch out after a while. Don't be alarmed though. Okay, y'all know I have showed y'all how I body pin mine in the back if it stretches out. Let's see what else I got. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette as always to tint my lace. I'm using a medium to dark shade, and I'm using a mixture of the contour and scope. Getting a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You still gotta tint HD lace. It's not gonna melt to everybody. I am gonna remove the combs on the side. They are Velcro, so they're easy to come out. I'm gonna leave the one in the back, but I do have the drawstring in the back as well to help lock my wig in place. Okay, security. This is their 9x6 cap, so it's one size only. So let's see how this one size fits my size, okay? Please fit, please fit. Come on, girl, get around there, get around there. Okay, I was a little worried. I'm still a little worried. Hold up. It has the cutout ear tabs. It goes around my ear really nicely. Let me see, let me see. I'm sending his kids to boarding school. Carolyn. Hey, don't worry, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. I like mine to look a certain way. I can't have it look blocky. Why am I doing this in the dark? Girl, put your glasses on. And I'm gonna cut these a little bit shorter. And like so. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Nairobi around the edge here. Let me hold my head up. It be pouring on my face. Oof, why? I shook it up and everything. Now they did send me a band. They sent me like the little silk joint. I like the elastic band. I'm just gonna grab one that I already have. Am I gonna leave these edges like that? I don't know. I may decide later on that I don't want them, but for now, we're gonna wrap them down. Pin this up so I can see. I got a little bit of hair right here that I think I wanna pull out because I don't feel like I need it. Yeah, it opens it up a little bit better for me. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I just did right there? It was a little bit too boxy. This little bit right here. Do I need to tighten anything? I mean, not really. It's pretty much sitting where I need it to sit, but I'll do an extra pull. Okay, now I can wrap it down. Use my wide tooth comb to see where the curls are. Take my blow dryer brush on high and relax this in the back. Add some curls around my wig. The hair is not a yaki, but it's like a thick silky. I don't think it's a yaki. No, it feels more silky on the ends. So when I have to do silky hair, this is the type of silky hair that I like. I don't like slinky silky. I want a thick silky that's almost yak. Curl this to the back on each side. Flatten this out on top. Just comb it out. Y'all see how that looks? Take a little bit of my Sleek and Shine. A little bit more. Take off the band. Unwrap. Did they send me an edge brush? They did. Brush these hairs out my face. Like that. Just kind of break it up. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze and add that right in my parting space. Use my Sexy Hair hairspray. I'm gonna take this comb out the back as well. It was poking through my cap. The direction in which you put your curl will change up how the curl sits. So I was initially curling it forward and it was making it curl a different way in the front than I wanted. So when I curled it back, it gave me this. Let me tint my lace really quick. Look up, get that line under there. I'm just using the excess from my makeup brush. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Let me put my glasses back on so I can see what y'all see. Changed up my glasses because the brown ones were just a little bit too light for this blonde. I need the blonde to have a contrast. I actually should have put on a black dress. That probably would have looked a little bit better, but you know, here we are. This is Skye, okay, from WOWAFRICAN, and I must say the sky is the limit with this one because listen, I'm getting that checkbook. Just call me Big Deborah. His checks, to be exact. Now, please understand, you will have to curl this wig out the pack, even though she comes ready to wear, you know, as far as like the washing and stuff like that. Depending on the packaging and depending on how long you leave it in the packaging, it will be bumped a little bit harder on one end because, you know, the bend, okay, the bend for the packaging. So you will need to straighten that out on one side more than likely, like I did. Also, make sure you have a paddle brush. I don't know why I was trying to use a wide tooth comb and a rat tail comb, but the paddle brush is what gave me the smoothness and the togetherness of the curls. Paddle brush the wig to get the curls together, to give you the smoothness of the layers. I could pin this wig up for like a little claw clip action. Yeah, I could do that. Also like that it's still glueless. Look at that. And I double like that I have a coupon code for that summer sale. Make sure you check that out. Only until July 8th. So get them deals now. The body, the movement. Woo! It's a very easy wearable unit. Do I think this color is for me? I don't know. I have tried blonde before and I feel like I'm more of like a honey blonde. This is more like a 613 blonde towards the end. That blonde right there, that transition blonde, will be perfect for my skin tone. I don't know. Maybe I'm not seeing what the potential of this wig could be on me, but the dark root helps me feel a little bit better. Okay? All's well ends well. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WOWAFRICAN for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.